Good day, everyone. We are the group 13, and our report is about strategies to select appropriate hardware and software to meet business needs. When selecting technology for a business, it's essential to focus on the business's objectives, ensuring that new hardware and software contribute to goals like improved profitability, business growth, and efficient communication, without incurring unnecessary costs for training or workflow changes. So, business growth and increase market share. To grow a business and increase market share, improving customer service through technologies like advanced phone systems, websites, social media, and CRM software can help retain customers and attract new business by enhancing communication and responsiveness. Communication and information management. Organizing and sharing information effectively within a business can be achieved through internal systems like internet, document management software, and portable devices that allow employees to access and exchange data both in and outside of the office. Various software tools such as databases, spreadsheets, and presentation programs can significantly improve business efficiency, support decision making, and enhance customer relations. Databases. Databases, especially when managed by databases management systems, help businesses streamline the storage and retrieval of key information like customer accounts, sales, and inventory, improving overall operations. Next is improving profitability. Technological solutions such as document templates, accounting software, stock control systems, and communication tools like video conferencing and VoIP can help businesses reduce costs, increase efficiency, and save time, all of which contribute to improve profitability. Next is business uses of databases. Databases are vital for managing essential business records such as customer and supplier information, payroll, inventory, and mailing lists, with a DBMS offering the ability to centralize and quickly access this data, enhancing productivity and customer service. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheets allow businesses to store data in a grid of rows and columns, performing calculations and organizing information efficiently through cells that contain labels, values, and formulas. And that will be all. Thank you.